Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be sharing 5 delicious green tea recipes that can help you boost your weight loss journey while following intermittent fasting. Before we dive into the recipes, let's talk about the benefits of green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and can boost your metabolism, aiding in weight loss. It also helps in reducing the risk of chronic diseases and overall promotes good health. Our first recipe is a refreshing matcha green tea smoothie. To make this smoothie, blend together almond milk, banana, spinach, matcha green tea powder, and a touch of honey. The combination of matcha green tea and spinach provides a powerful dose of antioxidants while keeping you full and energized. Next up, we have Green Tea Overnight Oats. In a jar, mix rolled oats, green tea, almond milk, chia seeds, and a sweetener of your choice. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and in the morning, you'll have a delicious and healthy breakfast that will keep you satisfied until your eating window opens. Now, let's move on to a savory recipe, green tea salad dressing. In a blender, combine green tea, olive oil, lemon juice, honey, Dijon mustard, and salt. Blend until smooth and drizzle this flavorful dressing over your favorite salad. It's a great way to add antioxidants and flavor to your meal. For those looking for a simple yet refreshing recipe, try making green tea infused water. Steep green tea bags in cold water for a few hours and add a squeeze of lemon or other fruits for added flavor. This hydrating and antioxidant-rich drink will keep you refreshed and hydrated throughout the day. Last but not least, we have Green Tea Chia Pudding. In a jar, combine chia seeds, green tea, almond milk, and a sweetener of your choice. Mix well and let it sit in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. The chia seeds will absorb the liquid and create a creamy and nutritious pudding. And there you have it. 5 delicious green tea recipes to boost your weight loss journey with intermittent fasting. Incorporating these recipes into your intermittent fasting routine can not only help with weight loss, but also provide you with a range of health benefits. Give them a try and let us know your favorite recipe in the comments below.